Technology isn't just for adults anymore. Kids today are growing up surrounded by smart devices and even smarter robots. When I first came across these amazing AI gadgets, I just couldn't resist making this video. Because honestly, these aren't just toys. They're tools that help kids learn, imagine, and create in ways that feel like pure fun, from coding and creativity to emotion and play. These little machines are shaping the next generation of thinkers and dreamers. So let's check out some of the coolest AI and robotic toys made just for kids. Dash by Wonder Workshop. This is Dash, your child's new coding buddy. Designed for kids aged 6 to 11, Dash comes ready to play straight out of the box. No setup, no stress. The best part? This award-winning robot is already used in over 40,000 schools around the world to introduce real STEM learning through fun, hands-on activities. Dash can sing, dance, navigate around obstacles, and respond to voice commands, all while teaching the logic behind coding. Through 5 free apps, including Blockly, Wonder, and Path, kids use drag and drop blocks to make Dash move, talk, and complete creative challenges. It's a clever way to teach sequencing, loops, and algorithms without feeling like a lesson. Dash includes 2 building brick connectors and a USB charging cable, giving up to 5 hours of playtime per charge. Colorful, expressive, and full of character, Dash is perfect for early learners curious about how things work. Parents love it too. One shared, "My child didn't even realize she was learning logic. She thought she was just playing." With creativity, technology, and pure fun combined, Dash sets the stage for young innovators to begin their coding journey. Makeblock mBot Neo Robot Kit. Next up, Makeblock mBot Neo. If your child loves to build before they code, this one's for them. mBot Neo introduces kids to electronics, robotics, and programming through hands-on creation. They assemble their own robot from scratch, learning mechanics and engineering step by step. It's easy to build in under 15 minutes, and once it's done, mBot rolls into action, following lines, avoiding obstacles, or completing mini missions. When it's time to code, the Makeblock apps and mBlock software guide them through visual coding with Scratch or even Arduino, helping them progress from simple drag and drop to real coding concepts. And since it's open source, kids can expand it with hundreds of add-on parts, even Lego-compatible ones.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Parents love how it makes STEM both creative and practical. One said, "My 10-year-old spent hours building, testing, and showing off his robot. He didn't want to stop learning." With a sturdy metal design, endless apps, and limitless possibilities, mBot Neo is one of the most liked robots. GILOBABY Smart Talking Robot. This next one's full of charm, the GILOBABY Smart Talking Robot. It's a playful little companion that listens, talks, dances, sings, and even repeats what you say in a funny voice. A light tap on its sensor brings it to action, walking, singing, and recording messages. It can record up to 90 seconds of audio, replaying it with a silly tone that never fails to make kids laugh. Rechargeable via USB, it takes just an hour to charge for up to 6 hours of playtime. Built from BPA-free ABS plastic with smooth, rounded edges, it's as safe as it is fun. Parents say it quickly becomes part of the family. One shared, "My son treats it like a little friend. He talks to it, dances with it, and records messages for us." Compact, creative, and full of personality, GILOBABY turns ordinary moments into playful memories. Eilik Emotional Robot for Kids. If you've ever wanted a robot with feelings, Eilik is exactly that. It's not about coding or mechanics, it's about emotions. Eilik reacts to touch, sound, and interaction with surprisingly real expressions. Tap his head, lift him up, or ignore him for too long, and you'll see him respond, smiling, sulking, or even acting shy. Place two Eiliks together, and they'll start chatting or playing with each other, sometimes even squabbling like siblings. Frequent firmware updates add new moods and mini-games, so Eilik stays interesting over time. Parents call it a creative way to teach emotional awareness. One mom said, "My daughter talks to Eilik every day. He reacts so naturally, it's like having a mini friend who understands her moods." Eilik reminds us that robots don't just have circuits, they can have a bit of soul too. A ESGOGO 12-in-1 solar robot kit. Here's where science meets sustainability, the AESGOGO 12-in-1 solar robot kit. This isn't one robot, it's 12. Kids can build anything from crawling insects to rolling cars, all powered by solar energy. No batteries, no charging, just clean power from the sun. It's an exciting way to learn about gears, transmissions, and solar mechanics while inspiring creativity and eco-awareness. Parents love its mix of education and fun. One said, "My kids learned about solar energy while racing their solar cars. They didn't even realize they were learning physics." With hands-on building and green energy, this kit makes every sunny day a science adventure, and I believe this is a unique way to learn science. RIVGOT Interactive Robot Dog. If your child's been begging for a pet, here's the next best thing, the RIVGOT Robot Dog.
What if your water bottle glowed to help you reach your hydration goals? The Lark bottle does. Its smart sensor tracks your intake and glows to remind you when it's time to drink. Plus, it purifies your water on the go. Prioritize your health with the perfect gift for you and your loved ones. Click the link in the comment section to never forget to hydrate again.
It's energetic, responsive, and full of life with its dancing LED eyes and realistic movements. Kids can control it using a remote or the gesture control wristband, making it crawl, spin, or dash around like their own little sidekick. It performs 8 different show modes, including spins and dance moves that kids absolutely love. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, the fun keeps going for hours. Parents rave about how active it keeps their kids. One said, "It's the only toy that gets my child running around the living room for hours and still asking for more." Safe, durable, and full of charm, this robotic dog is pure joy in motion. 2-pack remote control fighting robots. Get ready for battle. The 2-pack fighting robots are all about friendly competition. Each comes with its own remote, so 2 players can face off without interference. They punch, spin, and even switch into soccer mode, because why not? With flashing lights, sound effects, and pop-out chest plates, every match feels like a mini championship. Parents say it's a total hit at parties, bringing friends together for laughter and teamwork. It's coordination, focus, and strategy wrapped in fun. RIVGOT Drawing Robot. The RIVGOT Drawing Robot turns creativity into pure magic. This smart little artist teaches kids how to draw through 150 guided drawing cards, from animals to objects, all step by step. It's inspired by Montessori learning, helping build focus, motor skills, and imagination. While it draws, calming background music keeps kids relaxed and engaged. It comes with colorful markers, a reusable board, and a USB-C charger. Everything they need to start creating. Parents love how it sparks imagination. One said, "It's like having a tiny art tutor at home. Simple, smart, and endlessly creative. It's perfect for young artists." Rux AI Desktop Robot. The Rux AI Desktop Robot feels like something out of the future. It's a personal AI companion built for chatting, learning, and exploration. Powered by an A55 processor with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, it runs both Android and Linux, switching seamlessly between fun and function. Kids can talk to it naturally, ask questions, or even experiment with Python coding. Its 5-megapixel camera allows for video calls and remote monitoring. Plus, it supports 10 languages, making it truly global. Parents describe it as a smart little friend for the study table, the perfect mix of curiosity and technology. Smartivity DIY Robotic Mechanical Hand. This one's for the future engineers, the Smartivity Robotic Hand Kit. Kids build a working mechanical hand powered entirely by hydraulics. No coding, no batteries, just pure engineering. Made from durable, eco-friendly wood, it teaches real-world physics like levers, motion, and pressure in the most hands-on way possible. Parents and teachers call it a perfect blend of science and creativity. And kids? They can't stop showing off what they built with their own hands. Teach Tech Hydrobot Arm Kit. The Teach Tech Hydrobot Arm Kit takes things up another level. Kids build a fully functional robotic arm powered by water hydraulics, capable of lifting, grabbing, and rotating. With 6 axes of movement and a 270-degree rotating base, it's a full-on mechanical project designed for older kids who want a real challenge. One parent said, "It sparked a real love for engineering. It even became their science fair project." And I think it is a breakthrough moment for kids who love understanding how things move. Aukfa STEM Robot Building Kit. And finally, Aukfa STEM Robot Kit. This one's a complete creative lab in a box. Kids use safe, colorful building blocks to construct their own robot, then control it via remote or app. The app includes gyro control, path drawing, and voice commands, plus basic STEM coding games that make programming feel like play. Strong engines and grip tracks let it move smoothly on any surface. And yes, it does full 360-degree spins that kids go crazy for. Parents say it's hours of focus and fun and love that it's USB rechargeable, no endless battery swaps. It's a mix of fun, logic, and discovery, the perfect balance for creative young minds. These robots help kids dream, build, and understand the world in ways we never could growing up. So whether your child loves coding, art, science, or just play, these are the gadgets that'll inspire them to create their own future.